In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold in Mitrade. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the trade button top left over here, and then you want to go to the search symbols tab up top here, and you want to type in gold. Now, you will have a few options. As you can see here, I have gold euro, and then I have gold, which is XAU USD. So if you want to trade it in XAU USD, which usually is the one you're likely going to be trading, you can click on over here, and it's going to populate over here on the chart. So XAU USD, which is basically gold. Now, over here, you can switch over to the trade tab here. There we go. And then, of course, you can see the price movements. You can see how it's doing here on the chart. You can basically just view anything, do some technical analysis if you want to, which is completely up to you, of course. And then when you're ready to actually start trading gold, down here, you have the sell and buy button. So if you want to buy it, click on over here, select either a market order, which will basically buy at the current market price, or a pending order, which will basically buy whenever the price reaches this price over here, which of course you can set. So for example, if I do like 5,188 here, it's going to basically buy whenever the price reaches that amount. And after you've done that, either a market or a pending order here, you can select the quantity, so how much you want to buy. Here it's in lots, but down here you can see how much that actually is in euros. And of course, you could also do these percentages if you want to. And then here you can also set take profits if you want, stop losses, and trailing stops. So of course, if you want to play with that, that's completely fine. And then down here, you can basically see your order info. You can see your leverage. Of course, you can select how much you want over here if you want to use any leverage. I'm here on my demo account, so I don't really mind using some leverage, but of course, make sure you do your own research before using leverage or anything like that, because of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to physically trade on here on Mitrade, how to click buttons and stuff like that. So here, you then want to click on the buy button to actually purchase, and as you can see, the order has been placed. And then whenever you want to sell, simply switch over to the sell up top, and then here you can do the exact same thing. Select market or pending, select how much of the quantity you actually want to sell. You can set again take profits, stop losses, trailing stops, click on sell over here, and you can sell that way. So as you can see down here at the bottom, I have my open orders. So if I just go ahead and click on pending over here, you'll be able to see, like, I can see my open and pending orders as well as my history over here. And you can, of course, close your positions if you want to whenever you are ready. So that's basically how to trade gold in Mitrade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.